If a girl says this, she's testing to see if you're attracted to her. Women are experts at dropping subtle hints to see if you're into them. Sometimes so subtle, you might miss them entirely. But make no mistake, if she's interested in you, she's probably going to throw out some little tests to gauge your reaction. In today's video, we're breaking down the things girls say when they're testing to see if you're attracted to them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to listen for the next time you're hanging out with her, so you won't miss any of those subtle signs. 1. Do you think I'm cute? This one is a direct test. It might seem like a playful question, but trust me, it's loaded with meaning. When a girl asks, "Do you think I'm cute?" she's putting herself out there, testing the waters to see how you respond. She wants to know if you see her as more than just a friend. She's essentially asking for validation, but in a way that gives her a bit of cover if you don't respond the way she hopes. If you hesitate or play it off, she might backtrack with, "I'm just kidding," or "I wanted to see what you'd say." But don't be fooled. She's hoping you'll give her a straightforward answer like, "Of course, you're cute," or even better, "You're more than cute, you're beautiful." The way you respond to this question is crucial because it'll tell her everything she needs to know about where you stand. If you give her a positive, confident answer, it reassures her that you're into her. If you fumble or laugh it off, she might start doubting whether you see her in a romantic light. The real reason she asks this? She wants to know if she's caught your eye. It's as simple as that. And if she has, don't be shy about letting her know. 2. Who do you think is attractive? This is one of those seemingly casual questions that's actually packed with hidden meaning. When a girl asks you, "Who do you think is attractive?" she's not just making small talk. She's fishing for information. She wants to see if you'll bring up someone specific, or better yet, if you'll take the opportunity to compliment her. Let's say you're out with her and she asks, "Do you think that girl over there is cute?" Or, "Who's your celebrity crush?" What she's really doing is comparing herself to other women in your mind. She's hoping that when she asks this question, you'll say something like, "Honestly, I think you're more attractive than anyone else here." Or, "I've been thinking about how cute you are." Her goal is to see if you'll mention her in your answer, or if you'll reveal your taste in women. If she gets the sense that she fits the description of what you find attractive, it'll give her the confirmation that you might be into her. On the flip side, if you describe a totally different type, it might leave her wondering if she has a chance with you. Either way, this question is a test, and the way you answer it can either confirm her suspicions that you're attracted to her or make her second-guess things. 3. You must have a lot of girls interested in you. Here's a line that sounds like she's complimenting you, but it's really her way of gauging your availability and your interest in her. When a girl says, "You must have a lot of girls interested in you," what she's really doing is trying to figure out if you're single, available, and if you might be interested in her specifically. Think about it. Why would she bring up other women unless she's curious about your dating life? She's testing the waters to see if you're swamped with attention from other women, or if you're open to the possibility of dating her. When she says this, she's hoping you'll either confirm that you're not seeing anyone, or, even better, that you're interested in her. A great way to respond to this kind of question is to flip it back to her. Say something like, "I'm not sure about that, but I'd rather focus on getting to know you." It's flirty, confident, and lets her know you're interested. This is exactly the kind of response she's hoping for. 4. What do you think of my outfit, hair, look today? When a girl asks you what you think about her appearance, it's never just about the outfit. She's testing to see if you've noticed her and if you find her attractive. She's not fishing for a simple compliment. She's gauging your interest. Let's say you meet up and she's dressed up a little more than usual. She might casually say, "What do you think of this dress?" Or, "Do you like my hair this way?" These are not random questions. She's giving you a chance to acknowledge her attractiveness and subtly flirt with her. The key here is to respond with something more than just "you look nice." Go a little deeper and make her feel special. You could say something like, "That dress looks amazing on you," or, "I love how your hair frames your face." The more specific the compliment, the more she knows you're paying attention and that you're into her. When she asks these kinds of questions, she's revealing that she wants to know if she's catching your eye, and if you play your cards right, you can let her know exactly how you feel without coming on too strong. 5. I bet you're a heartbreaker. This is one of those playful comments that's really designed to get a reaction out of you. When a girl says, "I bet you're a heartbreaker," she's not just teasing you. She's testing to see how you'll respond to the idea that you're attractive and desirable to other women. It's her way of seeing how confident you are, and whether you'll take the bait and flirt back. She might say it with a smile, expecting you to either play along or deny it in a charming way. The best response? A playful, confident answer like, "I'd rather be someone's heart healer than a heartbreaker." This shows her that you're confident without being cocky, and that you're interested in meaningful connections rather than just playing the field. Plus, it leaves the door wide open for her to respond with a flirty comeback. The fact that she's calling you a heartbreaker means she's already thinking about your desirability, She's testing the waters to see if you'll own it and show her that you're capable of deeper attraction and connection. 6. Are you seeing anyone right now? This question might seem innocent, but it's actually a big test. When a girl asks you if you're seeing anyone, she's not just making conversation, she's trying to find out if you're available, and more importantly, if you might be interested in dating her. If you're not seeing anyone, this is your golden opportunity to express your interest in her. A good response might be something like, "No, I'm not seeing anyone right now, but I've been looking for someone who's fun, smart, and easy to talk to, like you." This shows her that not only are you available, but you're also thinking about her in a romantic light. On the other hand, if you're seeing someone else, she might back off or continue to test the waters to see if you're serious about that person. Either way, her question is loaded with hidden meaning, and how you answer will tell her whether she has a shot with you. The fact that she's asking about your dating life means she's curious and probably interested. She's hoping for an answer that leaves the door open for something more. 7. Do you like spending time with me? When a girl asks you if you enjoy spending time with her, it's more than just a casual question. She's testing the emotional waters to see if you value her company and if there's potential for something deeper. If you've been hanging out a lot and she drops this line, it's because she's hoping to hear that you enjoy being around her as much as she enjoys being around you. The way you respond is important. If you're attracted to her, this is your chance to let her know how much you appreciate her presence. You could say something like, "I love spending time with you. You're fun to be around, and I always look forward to it." This answer tells her that she's special to you and that you enjoy the connection you've built. The key here is to be genuine. She's revealing her own interest by asking the question, and she's hoping you'll feel the same way. When a girl starts asking about how much you like her company, it's because she's already thinking about what it would be like to spend even more time together, maybe in a more romantic setting. 8. Do you think we'd make a good couple? This is the ultimate test question. When a girl asks you if you think you'd make a good couple, she's not just testing your response. She's revealing her own interest. It's her way of putting the idea of a relationship with you out there, without directly saying, "I like you." By posing it as a hypothetical, she gives herself an out if you don't respond the way she hopes. But trust me, this question is a huge indicator of where her mind is. Let's break it down. If she asks, "Do you think we'd make a good couple?" she's essentially giving you a chance to imagine a romantic scenario between the two of you, and she's hoping that you'll pick up on the hint. She wants to know if you've thought about what it would be like to date her and whether you'd be open to the idea. A great way to respond is with something playful but thoughtful, like, "I think we'd be an amazing couple. We get along so well already, don't we?" This not only confirms that you're thinking about her romantically, but it also invites her to continue the conversation, potentially leading to a deeper discussion about where things could go. Her bringing up this kind of hypothetical scenario is a clear sign that she's already imagining the two of you together. It's her way of revealing her feelings and seeing if you're on the same page. If you like her, this is your moment to let her know without coming on too strong. And there you have it. So what's next for you? Discover the things she reveals when begging you to make a move, or learn what she says when she thinks you're sexy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.